Good morning, Wheatley Wildcats. Today is Friday, September 7, 2012. Let's have a great day today. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for Wheatley's motto.
I am somebody. The me I see is the me I'll be. I can be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. I can succeed.
Today's weather forecast is a high of 90 degrees and mostly clear. There are no birthdays today. Weekend birthdays are Joshua. Happy birthday to Joshua. And here's Miss Gregory with the core content.
Good morning, boys and girls. This morning's reading core content vocabulary for today is demonstrate understanding. Sometimes those reading questions are going to ask you to demonstrate understanding. When they ask you to demonstrate understanding, all they're asking you to do is to clearly state the lesson objectives through speaking, writing, or drawing and moving. So when it says to demonstrate the understanding, demonstrate your understanding of the main idea of the passage. It means it wants you to take whatever that objective is, and it wants you to make sure that you know how to do that. So if it's asking you a question about main idea, then that's how you need to answer the question and just talk about main idea. When Ms. Gregory comes into your classrooms and I ask you, what are you learning today? This is what Ms. Gregory is looking for, is if you can demonstrate an understanding of whatever your learning target is for that day. And for our math vocabulary, the answer, or the vocabulary word for today, is product. Product is the result of two numbers being multiplied together, so this is a very simple product. But when we have 4 times 5 equals 20, this is the product. When you're doing your math short answer, or even when you're just talking to your teacher, instead of calling this the answer, this is actually called the product, and we need to start using those math words. So remember that the answer to a multiplication problem is product. And now for the words of wisdom. Good morning, Wheatley Elementary. This is Mrs. Gregory with a few words of wisdom. Do you know the story of the traveling man who liked to brag? One day he came back from a trip and started bragging about being in a jumping contest. He bragged about how far he could jump. He bragged about how high he could jump. He bragged about how wonderful he was at jumping. But the truth was, he couldn't jump at all. Everybody soon got tired of listening to him. They said, instead of telling us about your jumping, why don't you show us? The traveling man knew that he was not telling the truth about his jumping skills, so he just sat down embarrassed. Remember this, you don't need to brag for others to like you. When you like yourself, others will like you too, even if you can't jump at all. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Gregory. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Today's fresh fruit and vegetable that you will have for snack this afternoon is called the Valencia orange. The Valencia orange has a very thin peel. They mostly come from California and Arizona, and then they're very, very sweet. So today when you eat your Valencia orange, it's sweeter than what a normal orange would be. And don't forget, boys and girls, the difference between a good day and a bad day are the choices that you make. Have a great day, Wheatley Elementary.